Okay, welcome on this video. Thank you so much for clicking. You could have clicked on a different video, and I do believe that this is absolutely the most important video at this moment when it comes to Boomerang, and especially to the Boomerang MVP URL launch. Today is the 24th of June 2024. I'm going to try to explain in a humble way that there are two kinds of celebration, and there's a lot of mixed feelings at this moment, because one, you have the CEO and the development team. That's camp number one. So when you see to the left of this picture, you see the CEO and the dev team. The dev team, that means the development team. And camp number two are the license holders, the license users, so the users of Boomerang. And those two mindsets and those two individual kinds of celebrations are completely different. On the left hand side you'll see the CEO and the development team, and some people that are really technically inclined, they are extremely happy. They're extremely happy because they have developed and they see a way that the entire idea, the concept, is a stackable interrupter, and it's done with AI mass calculations and the performance. So they're happy because the product is doing what they developed it to do, yet it's not performing to the likes of the users. The users are not happy at the moment because it's not giving the yield, it's not giving the return on investment, it's not giving the high profits. So the license users, the members of We Are All Satoshi that bought a license, they just want to see that it's easy, they want to make money, and they want to make team commissions, and they want to create lifestyle. But the development teams, they're extremely happy because they had an idea in December last year, a concept. They made it into a stackable interrupter. Stackable interrupter means that 4 technologies came together, which is a huge task. So arbitrage trading as first technology, on top of flash loans, on top of smart contracts, on top of AI. That's what we call a stackable interrupter. So it's interrupting the status quo. That's why they're very, very happy, because they did it. They really did make a stackable interrupter. They brought arbitrage trading, flash loans, smart contracts and AI together. And they used AI for mass calculations, and the performance is very important for those people. And performance has to do with that it is multi-channeling, that it's multi-channeled. It has to do with servers and bandwidth and loading speed and the variable ways that it needs to work on your computer, your network, your country. So basically the celebration at this moment for the CEO and development team is completely different than the celebration of the users, of the end users, those who bought a license, because they want to see more money easier and more team commissions, and basically want to create a lifestyle. And that's not it yet, because the performance and the happiness for the license, for the users, are not there yet, but it will be happening because the developers and the CEO are working on all those facets, the multi-channels, the servers, the bandwidth, the loading speed, to make sure that it's all working on your computer, etc., etc. Because basically, and that's the most important thing I do believe, is that Boomerang has created automated exponential AI trading software. Exponential means that it is literally finding out from multiple cryptocurrencies and multiple decentralized exchanges the best profits, the best differences between the different currencies. So it's huge. So please do not be disappointed yet as a licensed user, because you have a different expectations than the expectations of the CEO and the development team. They're extremely happy because the basic technology works. They do 20,000 how do you say it, 20,000 trades in a minute or something like that, or in an hour, I don't know, but it's working for them to the level that they are very happy. Yet the users, the license, the license buyers, they're not happy yet, and that's understandable. So please be patient, allow the CEO to take a breath of air, allow the development team to celebrate for a little while before they are fixing it, so that the celebration of the users can be celebrated as well, meaning that it will be easier, making more money, that you'll be able to make more team commissions because the product is working, and that you're able to create a lifestyle. So I hope this helped you, because I was literally depressed after I saw the results of the actual MVP launch, way less than the actual test groups and the test phases. And in the test phases and in the beta phases, it worked in a completely different way. Chavez and its team created a completely different approach, completely different animal that is working, and that is working for the masses, and that is able to be scaled, so that it's working for lots of people at the same time. Completely different. After they tried it out, the first approach before May this year, they needed to rebuild the entire system, and with this new approach they literally created it so that it's successful for everyone at the same time, with mass amounts of trades. So lots and lots has happened, and now I do believe that there will be a third phase that will try it out for 1 or 2 or 3 weeks in order for the development teams to make the yield, to make the return on investment, so the net profits in your MetaMask wallet better, quicker, and more efficient and easier and safer. So hope this helped you getting a better understanding of the reason why the CEO and the development teams and some of the leaders that are more technically inclined are celebrating. Don't be jealous, they are celebrating for different reasons than the users / license holders, the members. We will celebrate a little later. Just allow them, because it's still the MVP, the minimum viable product launch phase, allow them to now tweak and make the technology better, the performance and so on and so forth, in order to get better results for us or you, the license user, in order to celebrate just a little later. Thank you so much, Chavez. Thank you so much, teams, leaders, trainers, developers. It is truly an interrupter. It's truly a new technology that we are being part of. We're part of the test group, so Chavez and the development teams are very, very grateful that we en masse try this and en masse create the data for them to make the AI work better. And don't forget that AI is self-learning as well. So there's a lot of stuff and influence that the CEO and the development teams can do, but the AI itself is self-learning too. So the more we try it, the more we fail, the more we are successful, the better it is for the AI technology to learn and to be self-learning, giving us eventually better results, better or bigger amounts of money in order to fulfill our dreams and aspirations. That's basically all we want. As a user, you just want to switch the switch and see light. You don't want to study about atoms and all kinds of fusions and Einstein kind of technology. You just want to see light. You know, we just want to see money in order to have a lifestyle as a licensed user. Now, the development team and the CEOs, they really want to see the technology. They want to create light. They want to create new things. So please allow them their celebration for a little bit. And at the same time, they have to move there behind. And they know that. They know their responsibility in order to get better results for us or for you, the license holders, the users, the members. Thanks again. Click links below to get a license immediately. Get your license now, because it is working. It's not working as we want it yet, but it's working. So we have a product to show for. It's literally click and make money. It's literally AI doing the work for you. You don't have to trade. You don't have to sit behind 3 or 6 or 9 screens in order to know everything about the market. You don't have to be a rocket scientist, a trader or whatever. It's literally click and make money. How easy can it be? That's the new development. And then I'll see you on yours. And please, would it be okay to also hit the little thumbs up button? So share, like, hit the little bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I or we upload a new video. And pretty soon we'll both be happy. The CEO development teams and the technology people, as well as the license users and the members. So please do hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I or we upload a new video with new developments. See more videos on this channel. Get a hold of the person that brought you to this video. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It will blow back your hair and knock your socks off for the next 5 generations. You'll be whistling and eating ice creams for the rest of your life. And please stay grateful for the person that you would like to become, even though you're not it yet. Be grateful for the circumstances that you would like to live in, even though your circumstances suck at the moment. And be grateful for the material wealth, the fun stuff that you'd like to enjoy here now on earth, like boats, cars, houses, fashion, jewelry, whatever is on your bucket list. Be grateful for that already, as if you already have it, even though you don't have it yet. Imagine it. Use your visualization techniques to be the person that you would like to become, the circumstances that you would like to live in, and also the material wealth. And that's how you practice the law of attraction. You don't have to necessarily sit in a $3,000, $6,000 or $9,000 NLP mass indoctrination, hypnotizing hallelujah to the guru kind of Florida event. Those are all theories how to use the law of attraction, but how to that's talking about and learning about the law of attraction, but how to practice it is just be grateful right now already for the things that are not here yet. That's how you practice it. That's the difference between learning about apples and eating an apple. And then I'll see you on yours. Thanks to your own gratitude, the Boomerang developments, and the way we're able to create and distribute wealth at this moment. I'll definitely see you in the most wonderful resorts, top hotels worldwide, and on the most beautiful beaches of the world, because that lifestyle is there for you too, and you're more and more than worth it. So grab it, own it, claim it. I'll see you there. Thank you.